Hello guys, welcome back to another devlog. So as you can see, this is what I was working on last time, and you could only see the starting room, but this time I have begun to add like a transitioning tunnel sort of thing, and this is only a test. Like I might not be keeping all of this, and I made these assets myself, like the tunnels and stuff and the curves and all that, and I tried to make them look like what I wanted them to. Of course, I might put a link to the package in the description if you're looking to check that out. But yeah, you can see I've got all those right here, and right, so if I press play, and I go forward, yep, I go inside, and yeah, you can see them. The colliders are a bit weird sometimes, that is for sure. I might like try to fix them up and all that, but yeah, they're pretty cool if you ask me. And yeah, I will show you all the work I tried to put into the colliders. So if I went into here, this is literally what I did for colliders. There's probably easier things, because like when I realized a collider didn't work or it was useless, I didn't even delete it. I just kept it because I thought that'll even take more time. So yeah, this is the collider work I did for the curve. Yep, it's pretty weird, but the collider work for these ones were just very basic rectangles. This one I wanted to try and make the curve look more natural, and because you unfortunately can't rotate colliders, or at least I don't think I can. I have tried to look into it a bit, but yeah, I kind of failed at that. So yeah, that's pretty much all I've done in the since the last devlog. I am trying to upload a bit more frequently, but I do have some school stuff to do, so it might not be that frequent. As you can see, I also turned the FOV down a bit because it was a tiny bit weird. I don't know why. And I did start this devlog like pretty late into development because I wasn't sure if it'll... I don't know, I thought it would go a bit slowly if I did all the starting and stuff like that. But this is like my first ever thing I did. I had these two here to test wall running, and I had this tiny tree here so I would be able to tell the plane apart and know if my mouse look thing was working correctly. If you want any of the assets, I've got wall running, grapple gun, and I think, yeah, move and look. I'll do tutorials and stuff on that if I get enough comments begging me to do it. But yeah, and also I tried to incorporate a bit of a particle system here to look like the light was sparking. I did that before, but I just wanted to point it out. I will show you if this loads. Yeah, here, see, it kind of sparks a bit. I'm pretty new to the whole particle system thing. But yeah, that's pretty much all I've done recently. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you did stay to this section of the video, and if you'd like to subscribe to support the channel, that's okay too, I guess. So thank you and bye.